go. We're out of here.
We finally caught one, the elusive Sasquatch. Okay, check it out.
We're so convenient.
All right, Jeff, we pulling the motor out?
Yep, pull the motor out.
Sweet. What's wrong with it?
Somebody, I'm not naming any names, Caleb, was driving at the Texas Mile and it dumped oil out from the dipstick tube and lost oil pressure. So we're pulling the motor to put a bigger oil pan and a different style dipstick tube in it.
Sweet. Let's do it.
Okay, this engine had a problem with valve train noise and lost oil pressure at upper RPMs. Valve train noise was a bent push rod because it had 5/16 push rods instead of 3/8 push rods, and the guide plates are for 3/8 push rods. Put a Meladon 8-quart oil pan to kick out to Meladon pickup tube, Mellings high volume oil pump, new timing chain cover because the seal was bad in it. All new gaskets, rear main seal, and she should be good to go. Oh, and changing the stall converter, putting a 24 to 2600 stall converter in it where it had a 3000, 3500 in it. So that should help it a lot on drivability. This should be ready to go for FM3 road trip in 2 weeks.
Is it motor stabbing time?
Motor stabbing time.
Sweet. All right, Jeff, we ready to start it?
Ready to start it.
All right, let's do it.
Let's see if it'll make a full revolution.
Nope.